exercise 12 economics past question, question number 6. We're given a cycle in this form. A cycle in this form, just as we have in question 6. And here we have agriculture sector. We have, which is 90 degree. We have the mining sector, which is 30 degree. We have the manufacturing sector, which is not given. We have 160 degrees for oil sector. So they're asking us if the GDP is 60 billion naira, what is the difference between the contributions of oil and manufacturing sector? So we have to look for the manufacturing sector. A cycle is 360. So 360 minus the 160 degrees for oil plus 90 degrees for agriculture plus the 30 degrees for mining. The 360 minus the addition of these three items will give us 80 degree. This 80 degree is for manufacturing sector. So the contributions between oil and manufacturing sector will be for oil sector, it will be 160 over 360 times 60 billion. 60 billion over 1, which is equals to 26.6 billion naira. For manufacturing, it will be 80 over 360 times 60 billion over 1, which is equals to 13.3 billion. So therefore, difference is equals to 26.6 billion minus 13.3 billion will give us 13.3 billion naira. Option B is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.